And what's that you're pouring on there?
This is gunpowder.
Push that to the, show that to the camera. Come up top, come close. Show me inside of it. Alright. Alright, everybody get out of the way. You can go ahead, light. I'm just gonna move my face.
Oh my God!
Technical difficulties.
A little gas. Somebody blow something up over. What is that?
That's it.
What is it? Pad weld? That's it? Oh, I gotta wait 30 seconds.
Okay.
The bong got metal, copper. Anything really.
What is there, like a clamp in there or something?
What's that?
Is that clamp in there?
Spectators.
Nah, what it is it's a spot, it's a mold spot for the wire to go in. You clamp around the wire and you set it down on the
on the mold?
Well, you set it down on the ground rod. There's a ground rod down there.
Oh.
Set it down on the ground rod, and then it welds it to it like this. Your ground rod is ready. Yeah, that's where your wire goes.
And that's cat welding.